Only Hindi.
Maths, Hindi, English, Science,
Hmm.
SST, Computer,
SST.
GK,
Oh, okay. So, uh, which subject do you need more help?
Maths.
Maths. Okay. Which is a book that you follow in maths?
That's my book. And this is my.
Okay. Oh, I can't get it from here. Okay, fine. English is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But I need the name of the book. I don't need the page. I want to see the name of the book. I don't know which book it is. Class 5. New mathematics today. Okay. Revised new mathematics today. Nirware. Okay. So Nirware, please set your camera properly, please. I can't see your face. Yes, that's better. So, what about the other subjects? English, Hindi, science, SST.
I am good in all.
You're good in all. Only you are weak in maths.
Yes.
Why? You're afraid of maths? Yes, I can see that. So you on in the online class you would like to study maths only,
Yes.
not any other subject.
No.
Okay. So let's see if we can start your online classes. And not today, of course, but soon we'll start. Yes.
Okay.
You don't follow maths in school? No,
I follow.
you follow.
Yes.
That's good. Then you just need practice, more practice, right? Okay. Okay. See you soon. I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure, you only need in maths, not in any other subject?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Nirvair. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Bye.